you didn't grow up as a wealthy person, which I did not, at some point, you got to seek it out. You got to say, this is screwed up over here. Why is their life not screwed up over there? What is different about those people over there? The only difference is that they understand money. They understand that they don't want to pay the interest. They want to collect the interest. And they understand that that taxes annihilates any gains. I mean, everybody's heard would you take a penny a day compounded every day for a month, or would you take, $2 or $3 million right now? Well, it works out to be I don't remember what the number is, like above 10 million. It's a lot of money, right? But if you tax the penny every single time, instead of like 10 million or whatever it is, it's like 60,000.
Wow.
People don't realize what taxes do. Wealthy people do. And that's why there's all these loopholes in there that they can utilize. And, people get mad at the wealthy. What they should do is read the books the wealthy people wrote, and then just do what they did. It's not that complicated. It really isn't. Why don't they teach it in school? It doesn't further any of the large companies. It doesn't further what they need. They need sales. In order to get sales, they need people to have credit, and they need people to go into debt buying their stuff, because there is this disingenuous, and that's a super nice word. There's this disingenuousness of really wealthy people right now. Not all, but a few that are in public. And they say, I'm willing to pay more in taxes.
Yeah,
right? Okay, so your net worth is $1 billion and you're willing to pay more taxes on your income. Well, that's that's kind of you. You've made it. We don't pay taxes on our net worth.
That's right.
So go ask Warren and all these jokers that are out there saying that I'm happy to pay more taxes if they'll pay the same percentage, 70% of their net worth. Because all that does, when you raise the tax rates like that, which they didn't pay,
right,
accumulating their wealth.
That's right.
So when they raise that tax rate, all that does is keep their wealth and make it so that other people have a harder time raising to the level that they did. It's disingenuous, and it's dangerous for America, because right now in America, a guy like me who grew up with no money can figure this code out by just reading books, right, and studying, and then you can apply it, and I can break through barriers. And in other countries, they've already done this. They've already capped it out, right? The people who have the money have the money.
Right.
And nobody else is going to get them. You can have your little piece, but you can't have this.
Right.
Well, in America, right now, that's not the case. But let these uber wealthy people get out there and tell people, I'm willing to, everybody should pay more, everybody should pay more. Okay, so the guy now who's making $750, who's now rich, has to pay a 70% tax bracket when because Warren Buffett said that it's a cool thing, when he's a billionaire and he's not going to get taxed on his billions, right? It's disingenuous, and it is dangerous in our country to do that.